In this video, I'm going to explain how informed delivery works with USPS in a simple way. A lot of people use it every day, but still want to know what's actually happening behind the scenes. As your mail travels through the USPS network, it goes through high-speed sorting machines. These machines are smart and are designed to process thousands of mail pieces quickly and accurately. When your mail passes through these machines, USPS takes a picture of the front of each mail piece. This is the side with the address, right here, so the system knows where it is going. Informed delivery then uses these images to help you see what mail is coming soon. You would see grayscale images of letters that are on the way to your address. Okay, this does not mean the mail is delivered yet. It just means the mail has already been processed and will probably arrive very soon. Packages and some other items may show tracking updates instead of images. That makes it easy to keep track of everything without going to the mailbox again and again. Anyways, this is how USPS Informed Delivery works to bring in more visibility and convenience. If you have any other questions, go ahead and ask in the comments, and I would like to help.